Hi, I'm Mikhailo and welcome to the first Bimo development update. Today I'll cover the new API release and the current improvements to the walking model. Let's get started. The latest API and MCU code has been updated to version 0.9.5, which brings us very close to the complete 1.0 release. The key changes implemented in this update are sensor feedback implementation. The new API allows reading all feedback data from actuators and distance sensors, providing rich feedback useful for reinforcement learning tasks. Cameras now work. This update brings complete camera functionalities to allow Bimo to see what's around. And performance updates. MCU code now runs using both cores of the RP2040 to ensure fast response and stable communication with the API. Now let's jump to the most exciting part, the walking model update. After multiple iterations of system identification tests and simulation fine-tuning, the updated walking model shows significantly better performance. Bimo now walks faster and more stably than the previous version, and is able to keep its heading now too, eliminating the drift that sometimes caused it to walk in circles. As you can see in this sim-to-real comparison, the deployed policy keeps performing very similarly to the simulated one. The model is more robust and adapts better to unseen situations, which allows Bimo to walk, for example, on a carpet, without explicitly having to learn this behavior in simulation. Beyond learned behaviors, Bimo's API keeps including pre-programmed movements, like sitting and standing, useful for prototyping scenarios or teaching basic motion control. More routines will be added in future updates, such as automatic recovery after falls. As for reinforcement learning models, currently turn and balance recovery are being developed, as you can see in these training videos. And that's it for this update. I hope you're as excited about the progress as I am. As always, if you're interested in using Bimo for research, education or to tinker with robotics, you can pre-order your kit on Makion.com and support the Bimo project.